Imagine a world where history took a different turn. Forget silicon and circuits. Here, pistons pump, gears grind, and steam hisses, building an empire powered by ingenious Victorian engineering. This is the steampunk revolution, a convergence of science, art, and imagination. Every facet of life, from transportation to communication, hums with the rhythmic pulse of mechanical ingenuity. At its core, this era is defined by the incredible power of steam. Factories churn, inventions roar, and innovation spirals, fueled by coal and water transformed into boundless energy. The skies are no longer just for birds. Magnificent airships, adorned with polished brass and intricate propellers, traverse the clouds, connecting distant lands and opening new horizons. Beyond brute force, precision clockwork brings automata to life. Mechanical servants and intricate devices perform complex tasks, reflecting humanity's endless quest for efficiency and wonder. Behind every ingenious device stands a brilliant mind. Inventors, often eccentric and always driven, meticulously craft designs, powered by curiosity and revolutionary vision. Even fashion embraces the mechanical aesthetic. Goggles, corsets, top hats, and intricate brass adornments define a distinctive style, marrying elegance with robust utility. Every detail tells a story. The spirit of adventure thrives. Explorers venture into unknown territories, not with simple maps but with complex mechanical vehicles, charting new paths across land, sea, and sky. Even communication adapts. Ornate telegraph machines and clanking pneumatics bridge distances, ensuring critical messages reach their destinations with mechanical precision and speed. Below the bustling streets lie vast networks of steam-powered subways and underground cities, a hidden infrastructure supporting the vibrant world above. Gears turn silently in the darkness. Time itself is revered, marked by unbelievably complex clockworks. Grand towers and pocket watches alike celebrate the intricate dance of cogs and springs, mastering the passage of moments. And when threats emerge, they are met with equally formidable mechanical might. Armored vehicles, powered by steam, stand ready to protect cities and citizens from any challenge. Life isn't all industry and defense. Even leisure is transformed with ingenious clockwork toys, elaborate theatrical mechanisms, and automated musical instruments delighting the populace. At night, the steampunk city truly comes alive. Gas lamps flicker, steam plumes glow, and the ever-present hum of machinery creates a magical, almost ethereal atmosphere. This revolution celebrates the mechanical mind, where every problem has a mechanical solution, and every challenge can be overcome with a bit of ingenuity and a lot of gears. The steampunk revolution isn't just about technology. It's about a philosophy. It's the belief that human creativity, when coupled with mechanical principles, can build anything imaginable. From the smallest cog to the grandest airship, this world pulsates with a unique energy. It's a future forged in brass, copper, and steam, forever pushing the boundaries of possibility. What marvels would you create in a world powered by gears and steam? Share your wildest steampunk imaginings in the comments below, and don't forget to follow for more fantastical journeys.